Don't cry until the ending. Masterpiece guaranteed. 2 are bad. This is mold. Pararinko. Mother's CM catchphrase. It was created by Shigesato Itoi. No, it wasn't. Did he come up with it but got rejected? It's attached here. Normally, 22 and 6.3, here, 1 and 50. It's sticking out, but barely fits. Opened another one. Different capacitor color, same circuit board. Sticker applied, then stamped. Stamping caused discoloration. Heat gun. Discoloration is gone. Overheating melts the cassette, needs experience. Another one. Stamping caused discoloration. I'll erase it. It's covered by a sticker. Some units have cracks. IPA. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
2 through holes are blocked. This side is fully open. Flux. Using 2 types, solder sucker. Move inward. Slightly longer than the original, still moved inward. Made in 1989. New battery. Old battery. Circuit pattern is peeling. This will rust and break. Zombie body fluid. Apply and solidify. Goodbye. Welcome back. Now it won't peel. Magic solution. Extends terminal lifespan. 1989. Masterpiece guaranteed for the future.
Perfect body.